Flash flood warning remains in effect until 1:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Friday for Allegheny, northern Washington, northwestern Westmoreland, southwestern Armstrong, southern Butler, western Indiana and southern Beaver counties. At 11:23 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, emergency management reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: Emergency Management reported. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Pittsburgh, Penn Hills, Mount Lebanon, Bethel Park, Ross Township, McCandless Township, Monroeville, Cranberry, Moon Township, McMurray, McKeesport, Franklin Park, Aliquippa, Cannonsburg, Minnetonka, Vandergrift, Apollo, Avella, Gastonville and Shaler Township. Numerous roads were reported flooded across the area. 5 vehicles were reported near the Duquesne-McKeesport Bridge caught in rising flood water, with swift water rescue teams activated. Precautionary preparedness actions. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. And flash flood observed. Flash flood damage threat considerable. Strong thunderstorms will impact Monroe, southeastern Noble, southeastern Belmont, southeastern Allegheny, Greene, Fayette, southern Washington, southern Westmoreland, Ohio, Wetzel, Marshall, Monongalia, northern Preston and Marion counties through 12:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking a line of strong thunderstorms along a line extending from near Jeannette to 9 miles northwest of Washington. Movement was east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour and pea-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: gusty winds could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Minor hail damage to vegetation is possible. Locations impacted include Morgantown, Greensburg, McKeesport, Fairmont, Washington, Uniontown, Jeannette, Moundsville, Latrobe, Connellsville, New Martinsville, Waynesburg, Westover, Woodsfield, Mannington, Star City, Gastonville, West Mifflin, Murraysville, and South Park Township. This includes the following highways: Interstate 68 in West Virginia between mile markers 1 and 27. Interstate 70 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 7 and 15, and between mile markers 18 and 57. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 60 and 100. Interstate 77 in Ohio between mile markers 16 and 19. Interstate 79 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 37. Interstate 79 in West Virginia between mile markers 131 and 160. Precautionary preparedness actions. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 3:00 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for east central Ohio, southwestern Pennsylvania, and northern and northeastern West Virginia. And max hail size 0.25 in, max wind gust 40 mph. The National Weather Service in State College, PA has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Bedford County in south central Pennsylvania, southern Blair County in central Pennsylvania, north central Fulton County in south central Pennsylvania, southern Huntingdon County in central Pennsylvania, Juniata County in central Pennsylvania, Mifflin County in central Pennsylvania, central Perry County in south central Pennsylvania, Snyder County in central Pennsylvania, until 1:00 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Sunbury to Alpharetta to Raystown Dam to Shy Beaver to near Buffalo Mills, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lewistown, Sealands Grove, Bedford, Breezewood, Winfield, Mount Union, Burnham, New Enterprise, Everett, Belleville, Shamokin Dam, and Newport. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 70 from mile markers 147 to 148, the Pennsylvania Turnpike from mile markers 131 to 173, Interstate 99 from mile markers 0 to 12. Precautionary preparedness actions. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Very heavy rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. And hail threat, radar indicated, max hail size, 0.75 in, wind threat, radar indicated, max wind gust, 60 mph. Strong thunderstorms will impact portions of western Susquehanna, northwestern Luzerne, Bradford, and western Wyoming counties through 1215 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1129 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking strong thunderstorms along a line extending from Litchfield to near Muncie. Movement was east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: gusty winds could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Locations impacted include Muhlenberg, Sayre, Rush, Athens, Towanda, West Franklin, Wysocks, Sheshequin, Ulster, and Litchfield. Precautionary preparedness actions. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 300 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for central New York and northeastern Pennsylvania. And max hail size, 0.00 in, max wind gust, 50 mph.